Today I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you on how to nail your elevator pitch. Now, pitching tends to be something we associate with entrepreneurs, going out to pitch for money to potential investors. And that makes sense, right? Because as an entrepreneur, you need an effective communication strategy to convince outsiders who don't have the same amount of information about your idea as you do about the potential of your idea. And that's where pitching comes into play. So when it comes to what you put in a pitch, there tend to be 4 key ingredients. The very first one is, what's your value proposition? So what's the problem that you want to solve? How do you intend to solve it? What's your proposed solution? And who do you want to solve it for? So who's your target customer? Having covered that, you then need to show some numbers that will convince your audience that this is actually a problem worth solving. And then you need to tell us who you guys are, who are the people behind this idea. And specifically, try and convince us that you have the right skills to execute this idea. And then last, but definitely not least, share the status of your idea. So tell us anything that you might have accomplished already that will show us that this is no longer just an idea anymore.